We got Banks and Gray.
Banks is 18 years old and this is his truck, and today we're going to show him how to install a leveling kit on his truck. You've done this before? You've done this before? Okay.
Scoot it back some.
There you go. Good job.
Pieces right there too.
The shock spacer you can. That whole leveling kit you can.
I ain't that good job. Hopefully.
You just spinning that nip for 10 minutes.
I just started that.
realized
I thought it wasn't. I was like, why does it keep spinning?
I ain't that dumb.
I spoke way too soon.
So how do you feel?
Oh, great. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. I gotta poop.
Yep. Cognito leveling kit with bald 35s.
Alright, 18-year-old Banks is back at it. We're gonna install cab lights on his truck today. YouTube is a lot nicer than TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok, everybody's hating because Banks has a nice truck
Everybody's
at 18.
so grumpy.
But I'm gonna show him how to install cab lights. It's his first time, and he wants to learn how to work on his vehicle. He's been watching a lot of YouTube videos, but let's just use this opportunity for us to do an install video. There you go. One screw out.
Yep. Now.
Guys, if Banks can do it, you can do it. Right, Banks?
It's hard to see in there.
It is.
And get the actual. There it is. I think I got it.
There you go.
Nice.
Get that side
I think it's
out.
all the way. Yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta get this corner. Oh, that makes me nervous.
There you go. I wonder what that is. Why that's on
I cut my finger. Just to let y'all know that that plastic is very sharp. Maybe we should have disconnected the battery. I don't know.
That was step one of that video.
Yeah.
Step one, disconnect the batteries. If you don't want to, you don't have to, like Banks.
Yep.
Alright, now we can access the middle part of the cab light.
Yeah, we do. We gotta drop this part, the front down, and then we can go in.
Alright, so to do that, we're gonna have to get to, also you did all those right there. I think we might even have to mess with the pillar.
Oh gosh.
What size are those bolts?
These are
10 mil?
Yep, 10 millimeter. Just hope you don't lose your 10 millimeter.
Alright, so all you're gonna do is remove this cover right here with a pick or a flathead, and then you'll see two 10 mils like that, and then you should be able to pull on the handle and then remove it. Pull the tab on that little.
Oh. Yep. Hold on. There we go.
Like this. Twist it. So it's gonna be T15 in there, and then 3 of these right here. After fighting for a little bit,
Yep.
got the pillar out on both sides. It's held in by these clips, and you may break your clip on the way. There she is, and the headliner is almost ready to be, I guess, technically dropped.
Is it these that need to be dropped? On this side, you just take the weather guard off, and it should be able to drop all the way, or at least a little bit, where we can get in there.
Clearance.
I think we can get in there and
All right, let's do it.
without having to do the B pillar. Because in the video that showed taking these off right here
Yeah.
and pulling this out so you have more room, but we're gonna try to do that a different way.
All right, I think we can get to it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Right there. And then the center ones are pretty easy to get to.
Yep.
All right, let's go ahead and disassemble or remove the old cab
We're
light.
connecting to the light. We're gonna disconnect it and then should I figure out how to connect to that.
All right, while you figure that out, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this cab light right here. Oh, it's right here. Connection is up here.
It's very in there. Oh, Oh shoot. Oh. There's these two tabs right here. You can take you a flathead or something and you push them in and you just ease it out like that. And then this right here, you just pull this tab out and then press down right here. And that's actually pretty easy. And then up here, it's kind of dirty, obviously under it.
We'll clean it.
Clean it, and that'll give you a better suction so it doesn't leak.
All right, let's go ahead and remove all the factory cab lights first. What's rattling in there?
There's a bolt that went in.
Oh.
I don't know if I need it though. What's up, guys? He's going to get his coffee. I'm here by myself. No supervision. So, I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's 3 of them on the middle light, and to the far left, the driver's side, is where the wire's at. I would say we got it. Now I gotta find the bolt. It's in the headliner. Oh, it's right here. There you go. That's what it looks like. Oh, yeah, I'll show y'all. Alright, so that's the middle one. That was where the right one is. That is where that wire leads to the other one. Disconnected right there. Oh. Might just do it with my hand and use the other one. Good golly. Look at that. Alright. Finally. Now I will say, if I had time on my hands and I wasn't lazy, I would have taken those B pillars out. But I'm a little lazy right now and I don't feel like doing it, so that's that. Now we gotta push all of these tabs in. And to show you what tabs I'm talking about. Alright. These tabs right here. Push it in like that and push up at the same time. There's one on each side. So this would be a lot easier if I had a specific tool for it, but I don't. Oh, no way. There we go.
Got it. Up next, you're gonna get some paint thinner. Just kidding, you don't use paint thinner. Clean the roof pretty good. You need to wash your roof more often.
Yeah.
It's kind of moldy up here.
What's funny is I got a car wash yesterday.
Where at?
Sparkle Express.
Bro, don't be driving your truck through Sparkle Express.
Why?
You're putting more scratches on this than cleaning it. Alright, ready for new cab lights. Drop in the new Boost Auto Parts, just like so. They do have them labeled, so this one will say RH, meaning it's the right side of the vehicle. While I was getting the battery swapped out for the camera, Banks got everything connected. Alright, Banks, what do we find out?
Alright, so it's a little hard to see, but these have a certain pattern on the way they go. There's 2 slots here and they line up like this. Just like, hold on. Like that. That's how they go in. And make sure y'all put them in the right way.
I'm down here, right?
Yep. Yeah, no, you don't put them in first, but that's how they go in.
Alright, let's do that. That's all we need to do, really.
Yep.
Now that we're stuck, huh?
Which way did he go?
There you go.
Alright, hit the hole.
All right, go ahead and turn your cab lights on. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, there you have it. Took us, what, 2 hours?
I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, about 2 hours. There you go.
Cool. That's what you call a cheese delete.
Cheese delete. That's right.
Now the last piece of cheese is this one.
Oh, you already did this, too.
Yep.
That's cool.
They're white.
Yeah, Banks did that at the house himself.
And
Cool.
then I was gonna do this. That's too much work, and it's not that much. But I'm fixing to get a black bow tie,
Yeah?
and then that'll be it for that.
There you go. That looks good.
Yes, sir.
Boost Auto Parts, cab lights. It's not bad.
No, it's not.
But if Banks can do it in 2 hours, you guys can do it too. You were kind of scared to do it.
Yeah.
Because you had to mess
Well,
with the
I'm
headliner.
always with stuff like that, like little tiny plastic parts scare me because like when I did the mirrors,
Yeah.
or when I did these lights,
Yeah.
there was two pieces down here. On this side, one of them broke,
Mhm.
and then on that side, when you're pulling off the mirror, I think it was the bottom mirror, a little tiny tab broke. Just if y'all do it, be careful because it will break very easily.
All right. Well, there you go. That wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't.
And I think the Boost Auto Parts ones look really good. Now, if you guys do get the switchbacks and whatever, turn it back on again. I wanna see if it has like a startup sequence. Okay, this one does not. But they make ones that have like switchbacks. That is gonna be a lot of wiring, but they did make it easier where you just tap into the wires up there somewhere. But this one was very straightforward.
Yep. This is the strip style. See, obviously it's all connected. The OEM kind of looks like the factory. And then I got white running light only. The switchback and the switchback sequential I was going to get, but those are like $100 more.
And
then
it's a
with this-
lot of wiring. That would have taken probably 2 more hours.
Yeah, I don't have that kind of time.
Yeah.
Or money. So, yeah.
All right, well, here's another episode of teaching an 18-year-old how to work on his truck.
Yep.
He gets a lot of hate, especially on TikTok, because he does have a nice truck. But
Haters gonna hate just because.
I mean, it does have a lot of miles too. But we did the leveling kit on the last episode, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. And let us in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below what we should do next.
Yep.
What do you
Go
want to
check
do
out
next?
the YouTube video of us doing the lift kit or the leveling kit. It's very funny.
What do you want to do next?
What do I want to do next?
Yeah,
Obviously,
maybe
really
some
need
lighting.
some bigger tires.
Bigger tires. That we can't really film. I mean, we could.
Yeah, true.
Maybe we can get you to mount your own tire.
Yeah, exactly. That would be not
Because
fun.
I don't even know how to really mount tires.
And then maybe some not 2-inch spacers, but just some spacers.
Yeah.
And then I'm wanting to do traction bars and air helper bags
Okay, yeah.
for towing.
We can do all that. We'll do a video on how to do maybe some lighting stuff too. He wants to do some amber lighting. The what are they called? I'm having a brain fart.
Work lights
Yeah, work lights.
on the grill.
Yeah, the strobe lights.
Yep.
Yep. He wants to do some strobe lights, so we'll do a video on that. So stay tuned.